Hello students, welcome to all of you in English class. Today we will discuss the lesson from our textbook Vistas. Lesson number 5. Title of the lesson: Should Wizard Hit Mommy? Dear students, this is very interesting story. This story is based on child psychology. As we know that the small children are very curious by nature. They always ask a lot of very imaginative questions to their elders. And if we satisfy the small children, if we satisfy their questions, the small children, they can be very creative in their life. So this story is based on the theme of the importance of individuality. We should give regard to the individuality of a person. We should not rebuke it. Let's discuss the summary of this lesson in detail. In this story, Should Wizard Hit Mommy? There is a father named Jack, and he has a daughter named Jo, and that daughter Jo is very intelligent, very attentive, very curious, very imaginative girl. So the father used to tell Jo a story every Saturday, just to pass time or to make her sleep during afternoon. The story of the father just has common subject matter. In all the stories of the father, he started his stories with a creature named Roger. It means Roger was a common name in the father story. And there was a little bit change with the name in his story. Sometime Roger squirrel, sometime other creature, and in most of the story that creature started with the name Roger always had some problem. The father started his stories with the problem of that creature, and when that creature had a problem, he always went to owl to get some solution, and the owl always sent to the wise wizard. The wizard then solved the problem of that creature, and then the wizard demanded some money from that creature. Always the creature did not have the required money, and then the wizard told her the solution: you can go there and there, and you can find the money from there. So that wizard found the money from the place told by the wizard, and then that creature gave that money to the wizard and felt very happy. So now this time the father told a story to his daughter with a creature named Roger Skunk. By the time the daughter was very interested in father's story, she started taking very much interest in her father's story, and she also came to know about the common matter of the father's story. What will be the name of the creature? What will be the plot or matter of the story? So now this time the father told a story to his daughter Jo, and the name of the creature was Roger Skunk. And like other creature, this creature also had some problem. And the problem of the Roger Skunk was that he smelled very bad. This was his problem. So this creature was very, very sad due to his problem. Due to his bad smell, other creatures didn't play with him. They ran away from him. He was always left alone. He was very sad. So when this creature had such problem, and when the father was telling the story, the daughter spoke in between, and the daughter started shouting, the owl, the owl. It means when any creature had the problem, all those creatures they had to go to the owl. It means the daughter knew very well what the father will tell now. So the father got a little bit angry and he felt spiritually complex, and he told his daughter, just I am telling you the story and you have to listen only. Okay, then the daughter asked her father to continue the story. So the father, like his earlier story, suggested that when Roger Skunk had the problem of bad smell, he went to the owl. And then the wise owl listened to his problem, and then, like other stories, the owl told him to go to the wizard. So then Roger Skunk went to the wizard and told the wizard about his problem. The wizard told him that he could change his smell. So the Roger Skunk asked the wizard to change his smell like roses flowers. So then, with the help of the magical stick, the wizard chanted some mantras, and then the wizard changed the smell of Roger Skunk from bad smell into rosy smell. And immediately the house of the wizard was also filled with rosy smell. So then the Roger Skunk felt very, very happy after changing his smell. So now what will take place next, we will discuss in next class.